What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Graham and Mario, and this is the Game 5 recap of TNT up against SMB. The series will extend to 6. And I personally wish sana mag-extend to Game 7 para kabahan yung wallet ni Mario at yung Gcash niya. Para mag-gets yung context, please watch our previous episode. But yeah, TNT was able to control the game pretty much here the whole entire game. I think I could say that naman. BGR played so well. Almond Vosotros, the hero, he is actually our thumbnail for today. Kung napansin, that's why you clicked on this video because of Almond Esber. Sabi ko nga kay Graham kanina, "Uy,
Akala,
Graham, ba't ka
akala nila si
nagte-text?"
Graham. Akala nila si Graham yung nasa thumbnail, kaya pinindot nila. Simpla si Almond Vosotros. Sabi, ay,
Easy,
si Almond.
guys.
Ang bilis si
Easy.
Almond magpalit ng dano nun. Tapos
Oo.
Hinebra jacket pa. Come on, Almond.
Actually guys, mga 10 minutes
Pero
yung naghintay ni
nag-
Nico. Mga 10 minutes
Ano?
yung naghintay ni Nico kasi nagbibis pa si Almond.
Nagbibihis pa siya. Taligo pa.
Wait, so may tumalo na kay Ben Adamos, who was,
Oo, man, mas
ano,
mabilis ka mga
Mas mali.
mabilis ka
Mas nauna pa si Almond.
Si Ben Adamos in
guys,
Brazil.
for context na, what we're referring to was Ben Adamos. I think natapos yung game ng 9:30. Tapos
Mm.
nasa C5 Pasig na siya by 10 PM. So hindi na
Ang
naligo.
bilis, no?
Wala.
Nauna pa siya sa pila sa
Nakasabay ni Mario sa Burger King.
And Mario showed us a photo.
I was like, yo, it has to be him, no?
That's
Okay?
Ben. Isa makakita ng 6'2", 6'3" guy, di ba? In a random Burger King. Same haircut.
Same haircut, same build, same height.
Same
Same
aura.
Same aura, same aura.
Tapos
Sabi ko,
tinignan pa
wow.
si Mario. I know this
Oh.
guy.
Sabi ko,
Crush
oh
ko ako nito, ah.
damn! Oh damn! Anyway, dude,
Oh, yeah.
TNT
Congrats,
played.
TNT.
I would be the first to say I was wrong. I thought SMB was done with it by today because technically they really should have been done with it by today. And then, man, TNT played. Dude, TNT played super well, man. You can't really say anything about it. Brandon Ganuela's roster and Kelly Williams. First of all, like I said before, Kelly Williams needs to have a statue in the
Baltimore.
TNT gym at this point, man. Sa Moro ata sila nag-training eh. Lagyan nyo na statue si Kelly Williams sa Moro. Kasi, man, this
Sa
guy...
entrance, nandun agad. Kailangan mo itabi muna.
Oo, man.
Bro, why stop there? Kada cellular tower ng TNT, lagyan mo ng picture ni Kelly. He just deserves it right now.
One
man.
for his,
Dude.
for his
Man.
age, so 40 towers.
Oh,
Pre, in the first half, he wasn't missing from 3 and he was defending Junmar with all his life. And it helps din that Brandon had his best game in the series. Si BGR had his best game of the series so far talaga. He was unstoppable in the first half. And then in the second half, all he had to do was grab the rebounds and finish again. You know what I mean? Pero,
By the way,
Mm.
8:10 PM, a genius sent a message sa group chat. Watch
Eight-
BGR end the game with 18 points.
how many did he have?
18.
He had 18 points.
He had 16 at the time. He had 14 at that time, man. He had 14 at that time in the first
Wait.
quarter.
Kukunin ko
we're
yung
doing
screenshot
that-
na yun. I'll share it to the guys para makita nila dito.
if
Yeah, I'll take note of that.
Nah. If we are doing that, there was another genius
Oh,
Who said-
ano?
at 7:20 p.m. the TNT was going to at 5:23 p.m. pala. At 5:23 p.m. somebody here said, "Y'all gonna laugh, but TNT wins game 5." And somebody else here replied, "Have you taken your medicine today?" No.
He didn't take his meds.
I did not take my medicine today and I didn't need to.
Wait, saan mo sinabi yun? Picture ko, lalagay ko sa screenshot. 7 what p.m.?
Yeah, 5:23 PM.
In the UK Graham was 8:10.
Yung kay Graham okay na.
minus.
Naka-picture ko na. Yung kay
Yung
Mario.
akin
ano yun?
5:23, yung akin 5:23.
5:23. And I'll just go up. Go, boys. I got
I
you.
don't know, it just felt like today, but I'll be so real, mukhang tamlay ng SMB today, man. As in, mukhang silang matamlay. Parang di sila kumain ng breakfast, lunch, merienda. Wala silang kinain today, man. They only ate something during halftime. That's when Jericho Cruz finally woke up in the end of the third, start of the fourth, midway through the fourth. But all credits to TNT, man. Calvin Oftana and RR Pogoy still had a bad game. But you finally
They
had
did.
BGR and Kelly played amazing basketball. BGR
At si
may have
Almond Esber. Don't forget Almond Esber.
I'll talk about Almond Esber later.
Mm.
BGR on his own, man. I think if BGR didn't play the way BGR played in the first half, this is probably done. I think this is done already by now, man. He had 16 in at the point Grim message and he had 18 to end the game.
18 nga. Tama si Grim.
Yeah,
Watch
crazy,
this man have
dude.
18.
Just, parang si ano lang, parang si Nokum lang. Uy, Nokum 8 points na lang. Tapos
Diba?
di na
Ay, naalala nyo yung nasa likod natin nung tayo live, sabi niya, yes, 8 points na lang daw. Over na siya kay Nokum. Nokum didn't score the entire game.
Man, you can't tell me these players don't gamble. But dude, like, man, all credit to TNT today. They took SMB out of their rhythm. The bench scoring of SMB, which has been so vital to all of their last 3 wins, was
Just
absent.
Jericho Cruz. Just Jericho Cruz.
And that was just in the end, si Jericho. It was barely in the first few quarters. Si Marcio yung gising today. And he played well naman. But somebody didn't play well today. Let me just pull up my stats here, just so I'm sure about what I'm saying.
Bro, they limit Wami Chongson to 0 points.
Yes, they limited Wami
how
Chongson to
did
he was
they
a
do
-9.
that?
Cardio of the night, actually. Wami Chongson, 0 points, 0
Forgot
rebounds,
to
0
wear his
assists.
Apple Watch, man.
Yeah.
My
0
goodness,
for
man.
2. Yeah,
Hey.
-9. Cardio.
Dude, you know, people will keep saying na hater ako ni Wami. And that might be somewhat
That
true.
might be kind of
Might be somewhat true. But man, tingnan mo naman yung sinasabi ko. He played how many minutes?
This guy.
So, 6 minutes, 6 minutes,
Wami Johnson
20
played
seconds.
6 minutes and he was a -9. I know that exact -9. That was when SMB, what's on TNT, grew their lead to 29-20. That's those
Second
are
quarter ba yun? First quarter? First quarter, right? Second quarter. Yeah, yes. Low
Yeah.
scoring game nga pala.
Yeah,
Hey,
second half, dude.
his assist to turnover ratio 0-0.
Oh,
Well,
wow.
at least wala siyang turnover, yeah.
His points to assist ratio is also 0-0.
At least wala siyang turnover.
Just
By the way,
saying,
Graham,
man.
si Mario pala ginagamit niya na yung mic niya. If nag-wonder
Yeah.
ka, he's using his mic.
Oh, wow.
And then,
okay.
dude, second
Yeah,
to this
likes
is he didn't play the second half either. It was they chose ano pa rin, they chose
Chris
Rosales
Rojas.
again.
Chris Rosales had more minutes than
They
Wami
chose Chris
Chongson.
Rosales again. So if people will tell me na, oh dude, you're bashing him blindly, am I actually bashing him blindly?
May
He's
numbers
been
tayo tinitignan.
unplayable. He's been unplayable in all in 5 games. He's played maybe a total of 20 minutes or less, 30 maybe. And in those minutes, he hasn't been great. Chris Ross has been better, although today Chris Ross wasn't the best today. But yeah, man, this is the moment. Ito I'm just gonna say this.
Ano nga natin dito?
At this point, do you miss Terence Romeo or Vic Manuel kung ikaw yung SMB?
Parang redundant ang Vic Manuel at Motao 2 kasi. At may Rondon
Yeah.
Brondial ka pa. Medyo redundant. Pero yung Terence
But,
Romeo feel ko mismo.
Yung Terence,
Terence
wala rin
mismo.
namang depensa si Terence eh.
Pero iba
Ako,
kasi
on the
impact
other
ni
side.
Terence eh.
On
Ano
the other
Graham?
side, mas miss ko yung Vic Manuel kasi
Mas miss mo yung Vic.
Terence.
Okay.
yeah, kasi I'd rather have him than Brondial. Si Vic Manuel at this point.
Yeah. Actually, I think, alam mo, I think one of the losing points for SMB in this game was in the third quarter. Dun sa start-ish nung third quarter.
Yeah.
When they kept forcing the ball into Motao Tua. Yan yung
Yeah, they did nga.
after, gets ko pa kung si Glenn Cobuntin yung bantay. Siyempre, si Glenn's smaller than Mo. So that's a pretty valid matchup. I mean, that's a pretty valid matchup to attack. Pero when it's Brandon Ganuelas roster, are you still really gonna go one-on-one Motao Tua versus BGR? Parang iba na yun eh.
Pinipilit eh, no? Ano mo namang locked in si BGR.
Uy,
this whole
BGR.
night.
I didn't know. And people may attack me on this, but I didn't know BJR is this good of a defender.
Okay naman
He's
siya sa
not.
defender. Okay
He's
naman
not.
siya. He's okay
It's
lang.
today.
Pero he's not
Today was
amazing.
wild, man.
Okay,
He's
okay. So I'm
blocking
not
Jude Mar's
crazy.
layup, di ba? Kita niyo?
Yeah.
Diba? I'm not
Diba?
crazy na parang
5 blocks.
where was this? Where did this come from? Like
This never show. This is a once
This
in a
ain't
blue
normal.
moon.
This ain't normal. If you think if it's normal, it's not. He's not supposed to be this good on defense, man. But today, he was excellent on defense. Against Mo, against Junmar, against Don Troliano.
Everyone.
Pag si Don Troliano, sabi niya, you're not scoring on me today, man. BGR played the best game of his career, not career, maybe career.
One of the best, yeah, for sure.
Both offensively and defensively, sa tingin ko eh.
Dude, 3 steals in 5 blocks. Ganda
That's 8
ng ano niya.
stocks, bro.
Yeah,
bro, that's
stocks.
DPOY numbers. Diba?
Yeah.
3 steals, 5 blocks.
And that's against Motao Tua. imagine if he was playing up against
Japet Aguilar, yeah,
hindi,
I'll say it.
Raymond. What's yung job?
Ar-
Raymond.
Roger Japet.
Yeah, man, that's against Mo. That's against Junmar. 8 stocks na yun, huh? In fairness na sa kanya yun. By the way, there's this funny thing that I see online where somebody posted na there are rumors swirling around that Hinebra fans want to trade this for this. What do you mean there are rumors that fans want? What does that mean? Like, how do you have a rumor for fan wants? Like, that's what I don't understand there.
But this is not an election.
Anong rumor yan?
This is not an
Di ko na rin.
Parang Ginebra fans daw want to trade a player for another player. Ano pa I mean, can fans vote? Can
Like,
fans
why is it a
make-
rumor? Like, why is a fan want a rumor? Since when were those considered rumors, man? Gets ko pa kung, there's a
Yung
rumor
mga Facebook pages na fina-follow mo yan.
Mhm.
but there's a rumor that fans want them gone. No, we'll tell you right now, we want some people gone. We'll tell you who we want gone, man. Let us know if you want to know.
Gcash mo na daw. Send Gcash to Mario. Para may pambayad siya sa Game 7.
But hey man, going to
Oh.
hey Mario, you're talking about Nico, you're worried about Mario. I'll be walking to work
Dude,
barefoot.
Oo nga pala.
Pag nakabalik
Mas
yung
malala yung
TNT,
kay Grim.
Di ba?
At least
And
nine,
that's
Gcash lang
Wait,
ako eh.
from your house to work, to Pasig?
no, balik na rin ko lang. Pauwi na lang. Para hindi na
Pauwi na
ako
lang. Kaya kasi
tapos
dugyutin
na,
ka pa uwi.
kasi-
Baka i-fire ka on the spot.
Oo.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Diba?
Mr. Esber?
Mr.
Diba, right?
Basotros.
Mr.
Mr.
Vosotros? You should be in a game.
Recognize me?
You were just there.
Recognize me? But man,
Oh.
it's a game that SMB can afford to give away. I know it's the
Mm.
finals na wala ka dapat binibigay na game and all. And this is not sister teams, di ba? But TNT gave 2 games away to Ross in the semis. So what I'm just saying is a little thought exercise. 2020 NBA Finals sa bubble. Miami got game 5. Did
Oh.
anyone think they're gonna win the next 2 games? And
Hey,
beat the
I'll be
Lakers?
real I genuinely was scared.
Nung alin to?
In game 6, I was worried, man. I was worried, dude.
No way.
Sometimes
No
things
way.
happen.
No way. When you have I'm not gonna spark any debate. When you have someone inarguable top 3 player of all time, which LeBron at that time is, and he still is, and Junmar
Hindi mo siya goat?
right now.
Hindi mo siya good? Good
No,
mo siya.
He is
I'm not
good.
this is not
This
the
is not
avenue
this is
to-
not the pod.
this is
Okay,
not
okay,
the
okay.
avenue.
No,
It
I
is
don't
not
care.
the
I don't
avenue.
care. He is my goat also. So everybody who disagrees,
Yes,
watch
he is.
something else.
He's
Ayun
mine
naman pa-
too. He's
Ayun ang
He's
inamin
mine
ni
too.
Graham.
I'm
Thanks,
just
Mario.
I was just trying to not spark an argument sa comment
Okay.
section. Hindi nyo naman inabot si Jordan. Did you guys watch George Mikan and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar and Will Chamberlain?
This
Sabihin
guy.
niya, but hey,
Man, I was still a sperm cell when Michael Jordan was playing, bro.
Di ka pa binabalak, Brad. Di ka pa binabalak.
That's
my
what I'm
parents
saying.
didn't even think of me yet. When Jordan was playing.
That is right. That's true. Same
Oh.
here. But you have Junmar.
Okay.
Do you think Junmar's gonna have another stinker like that? What did Junmar have? 13 points?
13 points and 13
13 and 13,
rebounds.
diba?
Yeah.
To be
Minus
fair,
7.
wait lang, Graham, sorry, I'll cut you off here.
No,
But-
go.
Last game, he also had 13 points. The difference was, last game may pumutok for SMB. Last
Jericho
game pumutok
Cruz,
si
yeah.
Jericho and Don and whatever. So,
And that's what I'm saying, man.
Go lang.
Go, sige, Junmar had 13. And he can consistently have 13 for all he wants. As long as someone else picks up the slack. And we are 45 hours away from Game 6 Rodney Brondial.
Oh, mga
Inside
ganon.
the
Game
Phil
6
Sports
Rodney
Arena.
Brondial.
game
Mario,
six,
makinig ka na
Rodney.
para Game 7 na. Glenn Cobontin is
man.
out to
What
make you poor.
That's why I don't want it to get to a 7th game. And by the way, did someone remind CJ Perez that it's already the finals? Akala niya ano pa to eh.
Hindi pa rin.
Preseason pa.
Man, alam mo yung mahirap dun? Alam mo yung
One
mahirap
for
dun?
nine,
It was-
my goodness.
It was ano na lang ha. It was a 6 point, 4, no. It was a 4-point game na lang.
59-55.
It was a 4-point
The fourth
game na
quarter,
lang.
yeah.
In the fourth. And
Mm.
SMB has a chance to go up, to tie it, go down 1, go down 2. Diba? And, or go down, no, that's it, 1, 2, or 3. Basta, ganun. But, the turnover from CJ Perez, which he gave the ball away to
Mhm.
Jordan Heading, and resulted into an RR Pogoy and one floater. Yun, men. Pamatay sunog kung
Yeah.
pamatay sunog, pre.
Tama.
Yeah, that's right.
Actually, yeah.
He's been there, he's been their libero, si CJ Perez in this entire series na he hasn't helped them at all. Like, you could have taken CJ out of this series and I would not have felt the him missing because he's just non-existent in this series. But I want to give credit to TNT, bro.
Mm.
Like, again, we did it to Coach Deo in game 4. We're gonna do it to Coach Sean again in game 5. Diba? When things go tough, this guy always has an answer. Almond Bosotros in the big 2025 playing 5-on-5 basketball, man. That is something that I never thought I would see. And it's all matchup based. Eh. It's all matchup based na if 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 he's against the other team that SMB beat in the semis, probably he won't get minutes. But I don't know how he's doing this, man. Si Almond Vosotros. Like, his
How
shot
he's
doesn't
doing
go
it or how
good.
you're doing it?
Yeah, I'm gonna ask him later. I'm gonna ask my twin later. Hey, bro, how are you doing it?
Di
Because
mo
his
inaamin
shot,
eh, no? Tweet mo pala eh.
diba? The eye test will always tell you that he doesn't deserve those minutes. But
Mm.
man, he's just so effective. I mean, no disrespect. And when we say I mean no disrespect, the next things that come out of your mouth are disrespectful words. But man, he's small, he's thin, diba? He's not fast, but
That's not at
he's
all.
here in the final saving their season. If not
Yeah.
for his explosion, what was it? 7 straight points by Almond Vosotros,
5.
diba? 5, and then a couple of extra baskets, then SME still would have had the chance. But boy, he was excellent. He outplayed Kim Rin, diba? In
Not
this
hard to
game.
do. But okay.
Not hard
Dude,
to
That's
do.
true. By the way, Kim Rin, bro. Kim Rin, don't be Ralph Koo. Take those
yeah.
shots, man. Take those shots.
Don't be wrong.
Don't be Ralph ko. Damn.
Dude, dagdag ko lang to ah.
Oh.
Almond Vosotros is a better man than me because if I took that layup against Jericho Cruz and made it, he would not hear the end of it from me, man. Like,
Paparinig niya eh, no? Masyado pa
I
ata
am
maaga
not
eh. Kasi
letting
siguro
him
celebrate
go,
siya na
man.
maaga.
Can you imagine that, dude? After Jericho kind of at the end of the game, it was Jericho last game who was kind of poking fun at Almond. And then in this game, you extend your team up to 17, tapos wala kang gagawin? No. Me? No. No. Shot in hell,
Yeah,
dude.
guys, I think may nag-chat dito sa isa sa mga group chat ko.
Oh.
Si RR Pugoy ata and si Jericho muntik atang
Huh?
Gawin na naman.
magpapabot. I don't know. I'm trying to validate, not reporting that or anything, but
Let's check.
they
Oh,
say
shit.
na
Meron ba? Usually nakikita natin sa mga ano yan eh.
yeah, muntik na magsuntukan si Jericho and Pugoy after the
Bakit
game.
na
They don't
naman?
shake hands.
Bakit
There's
kaya?
probably
Ba't si
someone who
Pugoy?
watched live.
Ba't si Pugoy? Wala nga
Wala naman.
ginagawa
That's
si
right.
Pugoy.
Wala nga siya
Hey,
ginawa
Barkley
kanina.
Bonya, you're paid a good
This
amount
is
of
your
money for a
purpose.
reason.
Yeah. This is your purpose. This is
Use your
literally why you have JM Calma and Barkley Ebonia.
Yeah.
for them
And then
for them to
regalin
duke it
natin.
out, bro.
Tor
That's
meniscus
right.
daw si
But
ano ah. Si Poy Eram.
yeah, he's not going back. He's
Yeah.
not going back. And
Man, this is what I was saying though. And I would have said this mas lalo if TNT lost. Sorry, I'm picking something up from the floor.
Sige lang.
that
If
Japet
TNT lost,
jersey.
huh? No, no, no. I literally dropped something on the floor. So if TNT had lost this game, it would have been I would have been really mad at the fact that you forced 4 or 5 people to play through injuries. And Poy Adams' torn meniscus, torn hamstring, or whatever he has everything to do with the fact that his ankle is not good.
Yeah.
Diba?
Exactly. Yeah.
So much pressure was being put on that ankle during that. So much pressure was trying to be removed from that ankle. So on the day itself, every other part of his body. I don't know if there are PTs out there in the comment section who can verify this for me, but I'm fairly certain what I'm saying is fairly accurate. But because of the pressure, I mean the body had to make up for the pressure being put on the ankle or something like that. It forced the body to some parts of his body to mess up. And
Compensate.
that's happened.
Overcompensate.
Yeah,
Yeah.
compensate yung body niya, and that's what happened. So now, yes, TNT won this game. So I won't say anything about it. But then either way, man, if you end up losing this series, was playing Poy Eram and even possibly risking Poy Eram's career, really worth it? I don't think it should have been worth it, if you ask me.
Especially if they're not gonna win the Grand Slam. If they win the Grand Slam, it's still not the right thing to do. But hey, Poy Era may say at least we won the Grand Slam. Diba? That's
Actually.
off our back. Diba?
Yeah.
We are the first team since 2014 to win the Grand Slam, and not a lot of teams get that opportunity.
Yeah.
So yeah, it may be worth it. But hey, you are still down 2-3 in this series. The better team is still ahead, and they will close you out in Game 6. So that's not a hot take, man. That's not a hot take.
I know it's not a hot take. It just, hey, man, it's a little early for predictions right now. man.
Babalikan tayo. Babalikan to eh, no?
No, this is personal now. I don't want to walk, man. I don't want to walk.
Don't
ng
wanna
Pasig
walk.
to Tondo.
Hey, Greg
This is
made
personal
videos
now.
talaga of proof, guys.
Oh, I will.
Already here.
He'll give it. No problem, dude.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. Jason
Passing to-
Tatum for a moment. Parang what will people?
What will they say now? What will they say
What
now?
are they gonna say
Oh,
now?
they-
Yeah? I guess they'll never know.
Yeah, I guess.
I guess we'll never know. Look at this
Dude,
Kanye
acting as
album
if TNT didn't win this game. TNT won Game 5, man.
Yeah. But here's the thing. I would have
Di ba
been
sinabi
more
natin,
nervous.
SMB in 5, pero yun nga eh, kudos
Ako
sa
SMB
TNT.
in 6.
Kudos.
Originally SMB in 6.
SMB in
but
6 ka.
heading into Game 5, sabi ko, pag wala si Poy, parang there's nothing going
Yeah,
on with
no
TNT.
hope na eh.
It's the logical thing to say. But, you know, I originally thought SMB in 6. Here's the, what was I about to say? I would have been more nervous if the game was suspended today or postponed, and then minove siya. Game 5 would have been moved, on Friday, because that certainly would have given TNT players more time to rest. And then they'll have momentum heading into Game 6. So, mauurong Game 6 to Sunday and Game 7 potentially on Wednesday. Now, nawala na yung bonus 1-day break ng TNT from the injuries. And it's undisputed that they're the more injured team. Meron na nga talaga sa officially
definitely.
out. So, wala na silang bonus 1-day break. So, if they don't practice tomorrow, it doesn't matter. They're gonna play the next day versus yung Sunday to Wednesday break. Diba? That's the only thing that I think I have going for SMB right now. Other than the fact, of course, that they have Junmar. And I think CJ Perez will explode in Game 6.
You think it's a
just,
CJ Game
you know,
6?
No, it's just law of averages, man. Like, you cannot stink for the entire series, man. You're not.
I did not know that, man. We watched somebody stink it up in.
He is the most likely
Hey,
candidate to stink
hey.
it up the whole season, Grem. The whole series, Grem. He is the most likely guy to stink it up the whole series. Okay, may nakuha ang
Sa
DM by
lineup
the
nila.
way. Boss Nico, agree ba kayo Aster class yung kay CJ Perez? Oh, we were just
Dude,
talking about him.
He's been having an Aster class since the Hinebra series.
I just got a DM.
Mhm.
So good timing ng guy na nag-message ah.
Yeah. Dude, he's been having
Yeah.
Aster class since the Hinebra series.
So,
And-
malapit na mabuo yung natin, yung Fab 5
Ano?
natin. So we have Anmisi sa point guard, CJ
Oh.
Perez 2 guard. We have Batman sa, or are we gonna put him sa 4? And then 5
Huh?
si Tito Rafi. Si Batman. Si
yeah,
Batman.
Yeah, that
So
makes sense.
Batman is our 4.
Yeah,
And then
Batman's
Tito
on 4.
Rafi is our 5.
Yeah.
And then we're just
Si
missing the 3.
Batman.
Then off the bench, then our head coach is Coach Chito.
Dang, kompleto kayo ah.
Yeah, we have one more. The 3 spot is waiting. Hey, Calvin. You better rethink, man. You're about to get
Gonna
in.
say the same thing. Gonna say the exact same thing. Hey man, you better wake up sooner rather than later. Dude, can you imagine TNT is still in this series when Calvin has had basically a really bad series by his standards? By his
Bro, alam
standard,
mo kung bakit di natin masyado pinag-uusapan yan? Because CJ has been worse.
He has been
Diba?
worse. Yeah.
Yeah, 100%. He's been 100% worse, man. And again, this is what we're saying. Graham was right when what he said kanina na if you're SMB, you're allowed to lose some games. oh, you're allowed to lose this game, not some games. I don't want to say some games. Some games means they might lose
Mhm.
game 6. But if you're SMB, you're allowed to lose games. And now it's kind of about fixing it up for the next game on
Friday.
Friday.
Phil
Sa
Sports.
Phil Sports Arena na. Palit yung
Ayun.
venue eh. No po.
Ayun, men.
Mhm.
Di nga nila mapuno yung Arneta.
Pero malapit sa work ni Greg, malapit
Hey,
sa bahay natin, Mario.
Yeah. Well,
At
I'm
least
working from home the whole
Phil
week. Hey,
Sports.
hey. One more thing. The
Mm.
genius once again once said the game 7 crowd attendance will not be surpassed. I don't care if it's raining, man.
What number did you give? What
That-
number did you give?
I told you they're not gonna surpass 12K sa crowd attendance.
Siguro ano,
Di ba?
realistic pa yun. Kung sabi mong not surpass 7K, then that I would not believe kasi kaya naman nila surpass 7,000. Wait, ano ba capacity ng Phil Sports?
It's
50.
10K. 11 sagad
hindi
siguro.
talaga. Hindi nila masasagad yan.
The
Hindi
Gilas,
talaga
I
nila
think,
masasagad.
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko, guys.
Hindi talaga
na
nila masasagad.
that's the reason kasi yung 6 and 7 sa Phil Sports, but even if the max
Kasi
that
nag-Araneta.
these two teams can get is 15. They played in
Okay.
2022, they got 15K. So, sabihin niyo na naman binibig deal niyo masyado yung mga fans wala I'm hurt
Kaya ikaw favorite no? Kaya ikaw yung
Binas.
manok ng 5G eh.
But still, man, I'm not a TNT hater. I keep on saying that.
Nakakatawa ka no, Graham? Naglalaro ka for TNT and then proceed to wearing red. Sino ba nagbabayad ng payroll mo? Dalawa, si Boss MVP o Boss RSA. Ibang klase ka?
That's right, man. I have free access sa T-Plex and NLEX.
Hey, something's gotta pay the bills, man.
Almond has to
That's right,
pay the
whatever-
bills. 3x3 money ain't it? Wala na kang PBA
whatever
3x3.
Whatever puts food on the table.
There puts
Yeah.
put food on the table, man.
But blessing pa na nawala yung 3x3 for Almond. Kasi he proved
Actually,
that.
hindi naman
I think
blessing,
he's
but
always
he
in
just-
the lineup. He's always been in the lineup for
As
TNT.
the reserve guy, no? He's always
Yeah,
been
always
that
been a reserve
extra
lang talaga.
dude.
Yeah, he's always been a reserve. Kaya ganun. Pero, honestly, if your coach shot, I give you massive credit for continuing to trust Almond and still not playing Mike Nieto. Because at some point, man, I don't understand kung ano talaga ginawa ni Mike Nieto kay Coach
He
Shot.
played last game though. He played 2 minutes.
We played the garbage.
2 minutes.
Oh, really,
Garbage.
guys?
Yeah,
Basket.
2
2
minutes.
minutes. Yeah.
So
yeah.
ano yung ginawa ni Mike, no? May nasabi kaya
2
siya.
minutes is only 4 minutes less than 6 minutes of Wami. Just saying.
Oh no! For Wami straight.
But
This guy.
dude, the 2 minutes that he got to play, like, dude, Mike
And he had 2
Nieto,
points, by the way. He had 2 points in 2 minutes.
it was garbage time. I
Yun
don't
nga.
care.
Yeah nga.
Bro,
Wami
bro,
had 6 minutes, 0 points.
Hey. I don't want to get analytical, but Mike Nieto in game 4 had 1 point in every minute he played. So imagine if he played the whole game.
Oh man.
Oh.
Yeah, and alam mo yung mga ganyang argument,
Wow.
yun yung mga argument na nakakabash talaga eh.
Actually, ang dami na sinabi ni Graham.
Guys, Soto is a
Nakakabash
better
na.
shooter than Steph Curry because he shot
Sinunod
50%
ko.
from 3. Yeah, I agree, guys.
Three
That's-
attempts.
Kai Soto's a better
Three
shooter than
attempts.
Marshall Lassiter.
Yeah, so Kai Soto shot 22 attempts and he shot 11 out of 22, so he's a 50% shooter. Steph Curry has shot over
42,
20,000
43%.
attempts, and he's 43%. But because Kai is 50%, according to you
He's
guys,
better.
he's better than Steph. And man, I have to agree, man. Like what? Sobrang sound. Like I agree 100%, dude. Better shooter than Steph. I agree. Go ahead, man. Go off. Sorry.
Go off, King.
Go off, King. Man, no one. I ain't gonna argue. I ain't arguing no brick wall. Like go ahead, dude.
All yours, champ.
Grabe, no? 11:30 ng gabi natin nakita yung comment na yun. Sabi ko, seryoso ba to?
Bro, you got
Yeah,
me
but-
there. Whoa. By the
Oh,
way, for those
anyway, yeah,
watching-
back to...
for those
Sorry.
watching the arena, I hope you're all able to get home safely.
Okay
Oh,
naman
yeah,
yung ulan
yun
though.
yung-
It wasn't that bad. Yeah, okay yung ulan nung...
Brother, it's still raining hard naman.
Yeah.
It's honestly, it's the tuloy-tuloyness for me. I messaged Nico this, I think yesterday.
Oh, tuloy-tuloy. This morning, when you woke
This
up,
morning ba
ata,
yun?
tuloy-tuloy
Sorry.
pa rin yung ulan.
Dude, it
Gumagano
hasn't
ka.
stopped raining, which I don't
Nagpapahinga lang.
Yeah,
Na 30 minutes, tapos babalik.
Nagpaulan din si Kelly Williams
Oy,
kanina.
by the way, to those people, and these are the most annoying PBA fans, whenever there's a closeout game, sabihin nila, uy, walang lobo, hindi pa yung tatapusin. that Lobo tradition has been gone forever.
Matagal nang
Okay, so
wala yun, di ba? More than a
tigil
decade.
na natin yan, ha? Doon kayo sa Jollibee Kids Party kung gusto nyo ng Lobo. We have been using confetti for, I don't know, man. I really don't know how long.
Not sponsored,
has it
by the
been.
way, but if they want to sponsor, this
Hey,
guy,
Jollibee.
We have
It's
mentioned a
Jollibee,
lot
by
of
the way.
brands already. May Shinagawa, Jollibee,
Jollibee
Sarap.
to
Hey man, yung Canva pa rin talaga, yung Canva pa rin
Yung
yung
Canva.
magpapatalo.
Actually, Canva, di pa tayo sponsor ka ngayon. Come on, Canva.
Yeah, it's
But
Canva.
bro, on a more serious note, I think this is the last game TNT won kasi when you are down, parang may adrenaline rush na okay, wala si Poy, tanggap na natin.
Oh.
Siguro nagulat pa SME, they're kind of preparing for Poy.
Yeah.
But they're not, and heading, was it the first game heading started or did he start in game 4 too?
Started
Let me
game.
check.
He started in
Which
game
start
4?
1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4.
Because they
Heading.
pinaninindigan ni Coach Shot di ba?
Starter
Pinaninindigan
siya.
ni Coach Shot
Starter
in
siya.
game 4.
I want to see
41 minutes.
Wait, before we go, I want to see that if that Pogoy Jericho Cruz thing is true.
Yun nga, wala akong makita. Punta ka sa Twitter or X para sa mga...
It could have been one of my friends who watched live. That guy,
Hindi na rin
want
na
to know.
nilalabas.
yeah,
I want to know.
yeah.
Sino bang
Because-
kakilala natin dun?
For those,
Bro.
for me,
Isipin mo, may magsusuntukan sa Araneta Wednesday, tas meron din sa Sunday. Oh, that's
by
a
the
good
way,
thing.
guys,
Sorry.
ito yung sasabihin ko. There will be people who will say na SMB gave this game away. And I understand why you believe that. Kasi medyo mukhang malamya talagang SMB. Yun, aaminin ko yun.
Mhm.
But
Mhm.
genuinely, do you really believe that the SMC Corp is willing to sacrifice their championship
The
right
risk,
now
di ba?
to the risk of of losing the championship and giving TNT a Grand Slam just because they can bigay a game? I know
It's-
that people will believe it. Siyempre, what can we do? There are those conspiracy
Yeah. It's the
conspiracy
PBA after all.
out there. It's the PBA, and there have been so many cases of players gambling, referees gambling, all that. But again, you have to understand, this is a corporation who, at this point, is doing anything they can to stop TNT from winning the championship. And on the other end, this is a corporation that is doing anything they can to win a Grand Slam. I genuinely I don't see how they can win, how they would give up a game. I don't see why they would do it.
Yeah.
I agree. These two corporations hate each other so much na kapag pupunta ka ng Baguio, yung daanan, yung NLEX
Ano to?
kay Manny Pangilinan, tapos yung
Oh.
Tiplex kay Ramon Ang sa San Miguel Corp. Diba? Like you
Exactly.
have to have 2 RFIDs just to get to
Actually,
Baguio.
dalawang RFID.
Diba? No,
Exactly.
ganun magkalaban tong dalawang company na to. And I won't say bigay. I just said na this is a game they could afford to lose if you're
Yes,
SMB.
I agree.
But they did not give this game away. I think the proper way to put it is they were not as hungry as they were in the past 3 games,
Yeah.
especially in the
Yeah.
aftermath of the Eric Castro legacy game a week ago. Diba?
Eric Castro.
By the way, is he back in Araneta?
Oh, may
Ano ba-
nagano.
Magkano pa ba
I
yung-
didn't see. Nobody gave him. Nobody.
Magkano pa
Yeah,
ba yung
sure.
badge niya?
I know Com Willie was in the arena today.
He's always there.
He has
Com
to
Willie
be.
is always.
Ah,
He has
really?
to be.
Oh,
As
I
a
don't
commissioner,
know.
he's always there.
I don't know.
Yeah, he's
I was
always
reading-
there.
I was
That guy-
reading the comment section kasi and they said, mananalo talaga TNT niya, nandiyan si Com Willie.
He's always
like,
there. What do you
that-
mean? Like, Com Willie is always there. Kahit NLEX, nandiyan si Com Willie.
He's
We
always there.
talked about
Man.
this. Do you really think they are making valid points sometimes?
By the way, bro, shout out to the
Oh.
refs.
Oh,
Second
shout out to the
quarter, naalala mo yung kay Don Troliano, yung kay RF.
Yung flop down ni-
No,
ay, kay-
Oftana. Kay
Oftana, you
diba?
flop daw.
You reviewed and then you found out nothing? Like what?
Alala
Did you just waste
They're just like,
Did you just waste
Wag na
7
lang.
minutes of our time? Parang,
tagal nun, di ba? Tagal nun.
By the way,
guys, Oftana flop.
yeah, he did flop.
He did flop, yeah. Kita sa replay.
I like when they announced it. It was I thought it was gonna be either technical foul on Calvin Oftana for flopping or
Wala. Wala.
flagrant foul penalty 1 on Don Troliano. But what they said on the mic was San Miguel Beerman ball.
Game on.
Oh, that's it.
Game
That's
on.
it.
Game
Okay,
continues.
that's it.
Ah,
Don't
okay.
we know it? Don't we know it already? Di ba?
Dude, and
Don Troliano was doing this the entire time. This whole 7 minutes. Walang nangyari.
hey man, come on. When do PBA players admit a foul?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Bro, but he
Alam naman natin,
didn't
wala naman
foul.
dami.
He didn't foul talaga.
This time he didn't foul talaga though. This time he really didn't though. This time he really
Didn't
didn't.
foul, yeah.
Dude, I want to add this, and I'm curious what you guys take on this was. With the last 3 minutes, there was a contested 8-second violation thing. Can somebody explain the rule to me? I genuinely
Dapat
don't know.
mag-15 seconds
Kailangan
muna.
ba
15?
15 or
Kailangan
16?
mag-15 muna.
15.
15.
Because there are milliseconds pa eh, di ba?
It has to reach
Okay.
15 before you get called for an 8-second
Okay.
Kasi
violation.
when they inbound the ball 24, di ba? 24-0-0 na, hindi na yung 24-99999. So, yung ika-8 second niya talaga is doon sa sa 50.
Okay.
Yeah.
In my brain, I was like 24 minus
Because I
16.
like how SMB just stopped
That's
playing. They were like, 16! They were like, what? Just play defense. Tapos tsaka yun lang yung ano.
But
And then
to be
Calvin of
fair,
Town just went
the
straight to the
refs-
rim.
the refs weren't on SMB's side tonight, bro. Like,
I don't
have
think
been
they
on
were
the
either,
receiving end.
man.
Oy,
I
oy,
don't
oy,
think they were
contradicting what you
receiving
guys
end of
said a
some
while ago.
Terrible. No, wala akong sinabi about the refs, but no, it's just double down. I just doubled down. Na the refs are not or were not on SMB side tonight. I know there should not be on either side, but
They definitely weren't on SMB.
May ano lang, may konting ano lang. Leaning.
That's an
Yeah, leaning.
understatement.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a little lean. But then, hey, man, I'm not going to take away from it. I'm sure Graham wasn't trying to take away from it.
Convincing win for TNT.
Still a very good
wala
win, man.
tayo.
If you're TNT. If you're SMB heading into Game 6, one thing is absolutely clear. If Junmar Fajardo is not doing Junmar Fajardo things, somebody has to step up. And I will call it right here, right now. Wami Chongson, Game 6, will play more
Player
than
of the
10
game?
Will play more than 10 minutes.
I'm a player of the game? I'm a
Hindi
player
nga.
of the game?
Will play more than 10 minutes nga. Yun lang muna.
Anong stat line niya? Anong stat line niya,
What's
Mario? Come on, ikaw naman
Hey,
tatanungin ko. Anong
what's
stat
that
line niya?
prediction? What's that prediction, man?
Anong klaseng
Play 10
prediction
minutes?
yan?
What?
Ito, bigay mo yung stat line niya. Stat line.
I think he scores 14, 2 rebounds, and 4 assists.
Wow,
Wami,
generous
hey,
naman dun.
Wami, if you're watching this and you've seen me hating on your ass for the past 15 episodes,
Prove
I'm
me wrong.
rooting for you in Game 6, man. I see it coming.
Hey, just want to clarify. Sa Game 6 ba to or the entirety of the series? Yung 14 points?
Ay, hindi. Game 6.
7-7.
Dude, it's gonna be the Wami Chongson game. I feel it in my bones right now. I feel it.
Okay. Wami Chongson game for Mario. Ikaw, Graham. Does SMB end it in game 6?
Yeah.
Or do we see
Yeah.
do we see again? I just want to see a game 7 para kabahan si Mario and Graham ready his foot for the walk of a lifetime.
Yung isang paa lang, hindi dapat feet.
Feet pala, sorry. His feet.
Oh, grabe ka naman
In
sa
this rain.
brother.
Dapat
Yung isang
lulusob ka
paa
sa
lang
baha.
hinirapan mo.
Lulusob ka sa baha.
I don't think it's raining by then. Next week.
Oo.
Sana hindi na.
May
We'll
two
never
low
know,
pressure area right now.
Yeah, I know. There are 2 typhoons.
But
No, I think it's a CJ Perez 20 piece. Probably 25 piece.
20 piece what? 20 piece ano?
20 piece turnovers.
No, that's the entirety of the series. But when in game 6, I think he wakes up. I was about to say he has the tendency of exploding in game 6, and then I remember him game 6 versus Ginebra. But I just believe that it's gonna be his game. Like,
Okay, so ikaw CJ Perez ka.
But
Oo.
if TNT wins Game 6, the reason they win will be none other than Calvin Oftana.
Yeah.
It will be-
guys,
Shoot out of his funk. He's in a funk.
yeah.
really? I
Feeling ko
I think-
paunahan na lang yun, men eh. Paunahan na lang. Kung sino maunang uminit, either CJ or Calvin. Whoever gets their game going first will probably win Game 6.
the problem with Calvin is he's at this point parang the second or excuse me, he has to be either the second or the third. Actually, he has to be a top 3
First
player
or
sa TNT
it's
for
either
them to
first or
win.
second dapat, di pwede third.
Oo. Okay.
No,
For top
There's
2
no way
players.
Calvin's playing third option, man. He cannot be third option.
Okay.
Mm.
That's what I'm saying. Like he has to be that guy. CJ doesn't have to be even the fourth if Jericho is
Yeah, he was 4 for 17 in game 4. 4 for 12 from 3. So,
So,
parang-
how many minutes did Wami play today? If you were looking at the raw
Bumalik
stats
na
the whole
naman.
time.
6 minutes pa rin. 6 minutes pa rin. 6 minutes
Ano
na
yung
yun.
plus minus
I
niya?
was looking at the right
Minus
stats the
9.
whole time.
Tama. Gumalaw
time
lang
pa rin,
ng
no?
isang game kanina. Gumalaw lang ng isang game.
Bro, I'm genuinely baffled. Who gave Kelly Williams the authority to take 17 shots?
Good shot!
Coach Chot.
Coach Chot.
Hey, man. Brother, if you're making me
Go.
defend Junmar Fajardo, I get to shoot whatever I want.
You trade off.
Man,
You make me shoot
Hey,
whatever I want.
you make me defend this giant, brother. If I touch the ball, I'm shooting. I don't give
At
a
least
flying
15. At least 15.
that's right.
Then Coach
earned
Chot's like,
it.
okay, I guess.
Sabi ni Kelly, this guy forced me into retirement and you're not gonna let me take shots?
I'll let it fly. I'll let
I'll
it
let
fly.
it
you shoot. No, man.
Hey, Mario, before we close,
Mm.
as usual, you have a side talk. Mabilis lang naman. Off season, what if Converge calls Ginebra and says, hey, you're interested getting Mikey? We
For-
want RJ Barrientos and Jamie Malonzo in return.
Mikey! Wag
And
na.
Jamie,
Yeah.
Parang lugi kayo dun ah.
give me Stockton.
Lugi.
Stockton
No,
plus Mikey.
It's take it or leave it, man.
Take it or leave it.
Mikey
Leave it,
or
brother.
Lugi kayo,
RJ
leave
and
it.
Jamie.
Leave it.
Grim, that's not a good trade.
Leave
That's
it.
not a good
Neither
trade.
Mikey nor
Okay.
RJ can defend the ball. At least Jamie Malonzo can defend. And between the inconsistencies of Mikey and RJ, I'd take RJ. Not gonna lie.
I'll
The
You
best
take it?
ability is availability. I'll take
I'll
RJ
tell-
anytime.
Tell that to Japet, man. He was available 7 games. He didn't feel him.
Okay, I'll ask you the
Um,
same question. Graham, I'll ask you this. I'll change it up
Oh.
a bit. though. Change it up a bit. SMB calls. SMB calls, calls Ginebra and says, guys, we will give you Don Troliano, but you have to give me RJ Barrientos.
No way.
Don Troliano, RJ Barrientos?
No way.
Okay.
RJ pa rin ako dyan. I'll
Bro, for me
still
kasi,
take RJ.
yung kulang ng Ginebra is sa forward. So, like, which is wild to say. But like,
It's a center. Yung kulang lang. What if Converge? This is the other thing that I had cooking. What if Converge calls about RJ Barrientos in a first round pick for Justin Arana? Yeah.
oh man, you don't understand.
Ooh.
Dude, I will say yes to that. Anything that can get me Justin Arana on my team. If I have to give up
Yeah.
one
Favorite ni
diba?
Mario yan, Graham. Mario loves
first
Justin
round pick,
Arana.
kala mo naman ginagamit ng Ginebra yung mga first round pick nila. Sure,
Pupunta rin
have
sa
it.
Terra Firma yun. Di ba?
Yeah, have it. By the way, now that it has
Take
been
Jason David
confirmed,
with him.
it has been confirmed that QMB is not
Defensive
coming to the
superstar
PBA.
yun. Wag ka ganyan.
Oh, take Jason David. Give me Jason David for Shawnee Winston. And
No, what I'm saying is take Jason with RJ. We'll get Justin Arana.
dude, yeah, palag.
Oh, yeah.
Palag.
So, yun yung
100%.
sweetener. Yun yung sweetener for
100%
Converge. We like
Especially,
David. Give us
especially
David.
QMB is not.
Yeah,
He's
now
not
that
declaring.
QMB,
He's
now
not
that it has
declaring.
officially been said that QMB is not. Nico, your camera's off, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
yeah,
Don't
as long as
worry,
you know,
I
okay.
know.
Now that QMB has officially announced that he is not really announced, but it has been officially noted that QMB is not in fact not in fact going to be considered a local, and he's considered a naturalized player. Plus, will probably not join the PBA. What are our thoughts, Graham, that Terra Firma are back in the PBA?
They should
had
have sold their souls, man.
Wala kang gusto bumili. They're selling their soul. Wala na kang gusto
Okay.
bumili.
I wonder
Terra
what happened to
Firma,
the deal with Zamboanga.
Oh, I can say it offline. It's
Ah,
hindi
okay.
siya pang hindi siya pang ganito.
Okay, I heard Abra din
Yeah.
was being invited to join, pero sabi nila ayaw pa nila. I would
Mas
love
gusto
to see.
namin sa MP.
Yeah,
Alam
dude.
mo kung bakit ayaw ng Abra?
Bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi ayaw nila ibalik si Ildefonso sa
Hindi pa sa
Northport.
PBA. Oo nga naman. They're like, hey man, you can't play Dave.
He's with Northport. He signed to
Ain't that my
Northport.
guy?
That's right. And the other team, the other franchise that's for sale is Northport, di ba? So kung Abra
Yeah.
yung bumili nun, di ba? Diretso na si Dave.
That's just Dave.
Sa-
Like,
sa
hey
Albert.
man, I told you guys I was loyal. He just like,
Yeah. We brother, genuinely, I thought that the series is gonna end. But I prepared a lot of things to talk about other than the series.
yeah,
But probably on Friday. Probably
Yeah,
on
we can
Friday.
save for Friday,
Yeah.
man. Medyo ilang minutes
We'll
rin tayo. I think we're
revisit.
45 or something.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we'll
we'll see you
revisit.
guys on
But
Friday.
Yeah.
guys, if this goes 7, I think we should watch man.
out.
Mag-ingat
the
na
March.
kayo. Mario, si Mario uutang
No,
sa akin.
I think-
Guys, Spyram. Oh,
No, I
I
think we
don't
should
have
watch
money.
on Phil Sports if it goes 7.
Phil Sports is where?
It's near our place. It's near our place. It's one instansya, Mario. Yun yung pipupuntahan
Oh, dude,
natin.
yeah, sure, I'll watch
Phil
there.
Sports is where, man. Phil Sports is
I used to
Yeah,
walk that
I think
shit.
we should. I think we should watch live.
Ano, 6 or 7? 6 pwede.
7. If it goes 7, Bro, not going in game 6. Umuulan pa nun.
O, sige, so game 7 na lang. Game 7 niya. I don't have anything planned for game 7.
How sure are you it's raining on 6?
It's Friday.
It's like-
Mayroon pang projected rains till Friday. Saturday
Yeah,
even.
You know, it's like a promise that parang yung magandang high school crush mo saying na fourth year na siya. Sabi niya, oh sige, next year, I'll be your prom queen. Pero graduate na siya. So you're not gonna see her.
So you
That's- this is the
Nag-agree pa
the
rin
same
though. At
promise.
least nag-agree. At least nag-agree.
Yeah, at least we agree that we're gonna watch, but it's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
SMB
yeah.
6.
All right.
All right. Guys, thank you for watching. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Nico here with Graham and Mario. See you all next time. And
Adios, amigos.
comment below. Comment below as always what you think about this game. Peace!
Mikey
Stay safe in
Ginebra,
the
you heard
rains,
it here
boys.
first.
Ano, Graham?
Mikey Ginebra, you heard it here
Naku
first.
po. Sige. Good night.